Thank you, Sam. Now to a developing story in the state health department, officially requiring all students, faculty, and staff at public and private schools to mask up in class. Our Kevin VC is live outside the Massapequa School District, where just last week the Board of Education voted to make face coverings optional. Kevin.
And Macy, the Massapequa School Board received a standing ovation last week when they announced that masks would be recommended but not required. However, this announcement from the State Health Department really changes everything and sets up a possible showdown between the school district and the state. Now, late this evening, the New York State Health Department announced an emergency regulation which says all students, teachers, and staff at any school in the state will have to wear masks inside school buildings. This applies to pre-K through the 12th grade in both public and private schools. Now, earlier this week, when Kathy Hochul became governor, she said she was directing the health department to make this order. But prior to that, some Long Island school districts, including Massapequa and Farmingdale, had already decided to make masks optional. Now, we spoke to a Farmingdale mom moments after this news broke tonight. This person is part of the group Moms for Liberty, which speaks out against school mask mandates. She's urging her school board to go against the health department's ruling.
It's going to be a long year, let's just put it that way. In our meeting, I asked our 7 board members, would they stand up for our children and be the voices that we elected them to be and stand up for local control? What I'm hoping is that these districts align together and put a plan in place to keep local control, because I don't believe this is in DOH's ability to make these requirements.
And according to the State Health Department, this order will remain in effect for 90 days unless it's renewed. Meanwhile, we reached out to both the Farmingdale and Massapequa school districts for comments after the announcement was made by the Health Department. So far, we have not heard back from either district.